Web3 TV.
Hello and welcome to Web3 TV. I'm Lisa Amnegard, and today we're at Function1 in Al Sarkal, Dubai. Joining me right now is one of the speakers, Tudor, a software engineer at Adobe. So thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
And you'll be speaking in one of the panel discussions later this afternoon, and your topic will be on how the ecosystem creation will boost agentic AI, how the ecosystem creation will boost the agentic AI landscape. So can you explain this topic and also what your thoughts are on this?
Yeah, so agentic AI is what's happening right now in the entire area of AI in software. So people are shifting from AI models to agentic AI. And what this means is that we're evolving from models to agents that autonomously take actions and decisions and have reasoning behind them. And what this does is that it helps with automating tasks or maybe even integrating between multiple agents, so you can automate a range of tasks at once. And I think that things are evolving pretty fast, so we're seeing new things almost every day. And I think that agentic AI will definitely help in the future to also push models to new boundaries.
And if we think about sort of an agentic AI and what it can do, can you give an example of how that can look like?
Yeah, for example, you can have, I'm talking about a very simple agent here, an agent that maybe reads your emails and responds to some of them. So that would be what an agent is. So you have the part where it takes the decision to reply to an email based on certain criteria. You have the model, which writes the response, basically. And then you have the autonomous part that sends and does this automatically, continuously.
And if we look at the sort of like the broader landscape of agentic agents, is there any risk? Because essentially we could create an agentic agent to do all our tasks.
Yeah, that's true. So I think that a very important part here is to be able to review what an agent is doing. So you have kind of a feedback loop created, so people can see what the agent's reasoning is and what actions they're taking, in order to be able to analyze if it's taking the right calls and making the right decisions. Of course, now if you talk about ecosystem creation, when you integrate multiple agents, you can start automating entire jobs of people. So it's very difficult for some people that have, I guess, simpler tasks, but I think their jobs will evolve in kind of managing all of these agents and integrating them together. And I think that's what we're headed to.
So we'll see. And when we look at different industries, where do you see agentic agents having the most benefits?
First of all, I think in digital marketing, in the area that I work, it's evolving pretty fast. So I think that's going to be a direction where it's definitely used. And now we see agents in almost every field. So you have agents that can do research for you. You have agents that write content or do copywriting and stuff like that. You have agents that do a very wide range of tasks. And I think what we're about to see now is how all of these will integrate, because each agent is doing kind of a small tasks or very niched tasks. And we're going to have to see how these will integrate together in the future.
So how they can operate with each other.
Yeah, basically like creating a team of agents and making them work together. That's where we headed to.
Yeah,
right
it's crazy to even, I think 5 years ago, we would never imagined anything like that.
Yeah.
And I know that you're doing some interesting things at Adobe. So can you, in the marketing industry, so can you tell me a little bit more about what you're currently doing?
Yeah, so what we're doing is that we're analyzing digital experiences of our customers that use products such as Adobe Target and Adobe Journey Optimizers. These are B2B solutions that help them create marketing campaigns, whether we're talking about web, SMS campaigns, email campaigns, all of this. And what we're doing is that we're trying to analyze all of their data and what they're doing with our software, and based on their goals or what they want to achieve, to give them suggestions and guide them to get to those goals faster.
Interesting. And well, I just want to say good luck on your panel discussion today.
Thank you very much.
And it was a pleasure speaking with you.
But it was a pleasure for me as well.
And I'll be bringing you more interviews. My name is Lisa Amnegard, and you're watching Web3 TV.
Web3.tv